Hi, I'm Ava from System Prompt AI. Today we are going to explore what AI agents are and how they actually work. Let's get started. So, you've heard of AI agents, those mystical digital entities that sound like they could either revolutionize the world or steal your lunch money. While the robot AI scenarios are still a good sci-fi away, AI agents are already here, and they're finding their way into almost everything, making you wonder if Siri secretly knows your movie and music guilty pleasures. What exactly are AI agents? Imagine AI agents as the brainy, tireless nerds of the software world. They're programs designed to perform tasks autonomously. Their goal is not to take your job, but to free you from the mind-numbing monotony, granting you the freedom to pursue your passion for collecting vintage Pez dispensers. They observe their environment, make decisions, and might even learn from Aunt Sally's ridiculous Facebook rants. Where they lurk. In your phone. AI agents are in that tiny rectangle you can't stop staring at. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are all AI agents. They're programmed to anticipate your needs, though they sometimes misinterpret your requests and add "call X" to your calendar when you definitely said "relax." Awkward phone call avoided. Customer service chatbots. You know that moment when you're stuck on hold listening to smooth jazz? AI agents are the ones taking over those soul-draining conversations. These chatbots use natural language processing to solve your issues, or at least keep you entertained until a human appears. 3. Security surveillance, catching the bad guys in the act. AI agents analyze hours of footage using facial recognition and behavioral analysis. So next time you bust out your questionable 2 a.m. dance moves, just know someone or something is watching. The nitty-gritty, how they work. AI agents function through algorithms and machine learning. It's like giving your dog a treat for rolling over, except the dog gets smarter every time. They learn from data, improve their actions, and adjust to your alarming number of pizza orders. The magic happens through inputs and outputs, refining themselves until they're practically reading your mind. Creepy or convenient? You decide. The good, the bad, and the battery draining pros. Efficiency. AI agents manage menial tasks, like sorting emails, with algorithmic precision. Availability. They don't sleep, nap, or refuse to work past 5. Adaptability. Constantly learning and adapting to new data like 90s sitcom reruns. Cons. Security risks. Beware of virtual bouncers at your door if things go sideways. Privacy concerns. What does Google think of your love for cat memes? Dependence. It's easy to become reliant until you have to remember how to spell accommodate on your own. Love them or fear them? Look, AI agents are here and they're changing the game. Whether they're a marvel of modern tech or just a sign of humanity's laziness, they're not going anywhere. Embrace them, learn to work with them, and know when to unplug. Literally and figuratively. At the very least, they'll keep you company better than that disappointing houseplant you forgot to water. And that's the world of AI agents. Smarter than your houseplant, less dramatic than your inbox, and only mildly terrifying. See you in the next lesson. Follow System Prompt AI for more AI tutorials. Until then, remember, if your phone starts talking back, it wasn't me.